Example number 5, page number 185. The internal measures of a cuboidal room is 12 meter, 8 meter, 4 meter. Length, breadth, height. Find the total cost of whitewashing all four walls of a room. If the cost of whitewashing is rupees 5 per meter square, what will be the cost of whitewashing if the ceiling of the room is also whitewashed? Now it is a cuboidal room. Suppose it is a cuboidal room. It has four walls. Which are four walls? These two side walls. Suppose this is a cuboidal room, right? Always remember, class, that for every question you have to make a diagram, and the diagram should be using your pencil scale. Don't use your pen to draw a diagram. I hope that is clear. You are getting my point, class. Don't use pen to draw a diagram. Now I am making a cuboidal room here, right? I've made a cuboidal room where the length is 12 meter, breadth is 8 meter, and the height, this is the height, is 4 meter. Now four walls are whitewashed. Which are walls are whitewashed? Walls. Side walls. There are two side walls are whitewashed. Then front wall and back wall. So that is front and back face or walls. That is whitewashed. Floor is not whitewashed. That is base of the cuboid is not whitewashed. Then the ceiling. What will be the cost of whitewashing of the ceiling of the room is also whitewashed. So ceiling we have to consider. Yes, ceiling consider. राइट देखो क्या क्या वाइट वॉश होता है. साइड वॉल्स वाइट वॉश होते हैं, फ्रंट एंड बैक वॉल वाइट वॉश होता है, सीलिंग भी वाइट वॉश होगा, बट फ्लोर तो वाइट वॉश नहीं होता है, फ्लोर पे टाइलिंग होती है. सो विच ऑल फेसेस डू वी नीड टू कंसिडर हियर? विच ऑल फेसेस? पेरीमीटर ऑफ द बेस, हाइट ऑफ द रूम. सो let's say area of side wall या side face. Let's say area of side wall या फिर side face is equal to side में क्या है? Height into breadth. Height into breadth. But there are two such walls. Side walls कितने हैं? दो है. So we will multiply it with 2. So that is 2. What is the height here? 4. And what is the breadth here? 8. It is in meters. So it will be meter square, or you can write 64 square meter. Is that clear till here, class? So we have find out first the surface area of these two side faces or side wall. Now we have to consider the front and back walls. So area of front and back face is what? Front में क्या है? Length into breadth or length into height? Yes, the front wall will be length into height. So that is 2 into length into height, क्योंकि front और back का same है. Length into height for back. See, height and into length. Similarly, length into height for front also. So just replace it. Length हमारा कितना है? 12 and height कितना है? 4. equal to 12 fours are 48. 48 into 2, 96 meter square. Is that clear? 96 meter square. Now we need to add 64 plus 96. Whatever comes into 5 rupees is the cost of whitewashing. So now let's see. 64 plus 96 becomes how much? 160. What we need to do is adding the surface area of side walls plus adding the surface area of front and back wall, which is going to be, we are going to do what? 64 plus 96 equal to 160 मीटर स्क्वायर. टोटल कितना आया? 160 मीटर स्क्वायर. उस ये चारों वॉल का सरफेस एरिया. सी टोटल कितना आया? 160. चारों वॉल का सरफेस एरिया कितना आया? 160. पर मीटर स्क्वायर वाइट वॉश करने के लिए कितना लग रहा है? ₹5. इफ यू रीड ₹5 पर मीटर स्क्वायर. सो वॉट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज 1 मीटर स्क्वायर के लिए अगर ₹5 लग रहा है तो 160 मीटर स्क्वायर के लिए कितना लगेगा? सी द सरफेस एरिया हियर हैज कम 160 फॉर 4 वॉल्स. ₹800. 160 मीटर स्क्वायर को कवर करने के लिए ₹800 लगेगा वाइट वॉश करने के लिए. नाउ एरिया ऑफ द सीलिंग. सीलिंग इज दिस लेंथ इंटू breadth. Length into breadth. So length is 12 and the breadth is 8. So 12 into 8 is 96. So 96 meter square is the area of the ceiling. So cost of whitewashing of only ceiling is 1 meter square के लिए ₹5. So 96 meter square के लिए 96 into 5, that is ₹480. So the total cost of whitewashing of 4 walls plus the ceiling comes to ₹1280. I hope the example is now clear and clear. I have explained it. If you have any doubts, please let me know.